guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we're going to be crafting these little notebook tags. This is a new printable in my Etsy shop, My Porch Prints on Etsy. So let's go ahead and get started. The kit comes with 4 different cover designs, and it also comes with the little notebook pages to fill them. And then finally it comes with some just cute fun little ephemera pieces that you can use to decorate your tags. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And just so you know, this is the way the notebook papers come, and it will take one of these to make one tag. So if you want to make 4 different notebook tags, then you'll need to print 4 of these sheets. Alrighty, so I'm going to pick a cover. Which one do we want to do? How about this one? And what I'm going to do to start with is fold it in half. And if you want to ink your edges, now is a good time to do that. Especially the inside part of this, because it's white and that tends to show up a lot, you know, if you don't get it completely covered, which we probably won't. So it's nice to put a little ink around the edges, and that helps kind of disguise that stark whiteness of the back of your page. And I'm not going to ink my whole project today, but you would probably ink, you know, around the front and sides and all that too, if you want to. But to save time, I'm not going to do that. All right, so this doesn't seem very creased. There we go. And this, by the way, is called a bone folder, and I use it to crease my edges. And I'm going to be using a few other things in addition to the kit, and I'll put links down below for all the items I'm using if possible. Okay, so now we need to do the pages, and these are the ones that come with it. And you want to start with the one with the tab. And what you want to do is start with this first page and fold it backwards like this and match it up with the next one here. There we go. And then you want to fold this one the other direction, accordion style or fan style. It's a good idea to try to match up your edges the best that you can. I'm not always the most perfect at that. And then this little tab folds backwards like this. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing with these, only now the first one we're going to fold this direction. And you'll see why there's a specific way to fold these in just a minute. There we go. All right. Oops. So we've got our first one with our tab, and then we've got the next set. And what we're going to do is we're going to glue this one onto this one. So we're going to glue this onto the tab right here and make a nice long set of pages. Line those up. There we go. And now you've got a nice long set of pages. And then next we're going to attach them inside our little kind of notebook cover, our little tag notebook cover. And oh, well, before we do that, I think we'll glue them together. So what we want to do is leave the first one and the last one free, because they're going to actually be glued to the inside of our cover. And then these two need glued together. So that's what we're going to be doing. So now that those are glued together, we've got our little notebook pages. And these are the front and back one that are blank here. And we're going to glue them inside here. And this one, the paper's poking out the back a little bit, so I'm just going to trim it up a little. And it's also showing up just a little bit on the top, and if you want to hide that, you can use some ink. There we go. And it's starting to look like a little tag notebook. And the next thing we're going to do is, it comes with these little tabs, and I cut these out with my Cricut, just so you know. I converted my PDF to a JPEG file, and then I imported it into my Cricut, because they're kind of hard to cut because they're so small. But I went ahead and cut these out, and then these can attach to the back of your tag. So if you don't want to actually like punch a hole in your cover, this can be used to punch a hole and create a tag. So I'll let that dry for a little bit before I punch a hole in it. And then, like I said, the kit comes with some cute little ephemera that you can use to decorate your tag cover with. And you can just kind of pick your favorite, whatever goes with your style. Okay, and last I'm going to be adding a little eyelet. And there we go. We've created a cute little notebook tag that you can use on its own or as an embellishment for your journal. All right, thanks for watching, guys.